All right, so we're going to delete this element, and if I save that, we get a reload, and this is no longer working. We're getting a type error. Cannot read properties of null reading append. So what's happening here is this root element could be an HTML element, or it could be null because maybe there is no element called root in the DOM, which is the case now because we don't have that element in our DOM anymore. So instead of getting the element, what we're going to do is create the element. So we're going to say document.create element. It'll be a div. And if we want to, we can say root element.id equals root, just for the fun of it. We don't really need to, but we're just exploring the DOM right now. No problem. Save that, and now we're no longer getting the error, but we're also not getting anything in the DOM because, again, we created this in memory. It's sitting out there in memory. It may have an element that is appended to it, but it's not in the DOM right now. And so we've got to say document.body append root element. So we've appended our element, our hello world element, to the root, and now we're appending the root to the body. Save that, and we get our hello world. We've also got our root right there. And you'll notice actually something kind of interesting from what we had before. The root was right up here before, but now with our changes, it actually goes down here. And that's because of append. If we really wanted the position to be exact, we could say prepend. And now it's going to go at the beginning, but it doesn't really make a difference in any case. So I'm fine with append. But yeah, hopefully that gave you a little bit more of an exploration of what you can do with the DOM. There's an entire world there, and we're not going to go that much deeper into it. But I think it's useful for you to understand that we're creating elements, we're appending elements, we're modifying element properties, and that is how you make a dynamic web application. We could, of course, add buttons and event handlers and all that stuff. We're not going to go that deep into the DOM. Feel free to dive into that if you're interested. But this is how you create elements using JavaScript.